to make a quick video on how to repack a water valve here. This is a water valve that runs to the outside of my house here. It was leaking water between this nut right here and the valve stem. So what is, I came in here and I broke this loose. Take this out. You can see there's your valve seat there. Now my seat's fine. If I wanted to, you could certainly run in town and buy a new seat for this thing, but it's about 10 o'clock at night or so, so I'm not going to do that. But anyway, that's a seat that you would replace if you were leaking water past the valve. But my problem is right here. I've already taken all this apart, so all I'm going to do is take this screw out here that holds the handle on, take the handle off. Now, take this part right here off. I don't know if you call that a stuffing box or what you want to call it. But inside here, see if I can get the camera to focus. Probably not. But there is a graphite packing in there. And I need to clean that packing out so we can put some new material in there. Now I did not get graphite. I got a Teflon material. I'm just trying to scrape all this crud out so I can put new crud in. The stuff I'm going to put in here is like it's more like a Teflon rope. I got it from Ace. It was, I don't know, between $3 and $4. But the lady at the counter had no idea what I was buying. So I thought, well, I'll just make a video. Just working that stuff out. It's coming. Let's see if I can turn on the light. Make that better. Yeah, we're getting somewhere now. So, got that about cleaned out. I'm going to run it down over these threads just to see how it feels. If I had a real small brush, I could run it in there to clean those threads up, but I don't. Alright. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the valve stem out of the valve body, or whatever you call that thing. This was completely green. I've already cleaned it up some. I'm going to clean it up a little bit more. A little piece of emery cloth. Yeah, that looks better. There are some gouges in this. We'll see how it works. Got a little bit of Scotch-Brite. Alright, that's way better. Now, take this, screw it back in there. I'm going to take, this is what I got. It says faucet repair, part number 4200374 from Ace. It says TFE valve packing, self-forming. And this is the 3/32 variety. So I'm just going to take this. I'm going to make a few wraps around here. I'm not entirely sure how much to use. We're just going to try this. you can't break that. Maybe you can. Probably have too much. See if I can get it to fit. Hey, it is. So now I have a new seal between the stem and this cap. Put my handle back on. Put my screw back in, and I'll tighten all this stuff up. I'll put it back together, and I should have a leak-free faucet. I hope this video helped you.